it's Cassie from East Village Spa here with Camille for her first Facebook Live video. We're here to talk to you about our new acne facial today. And I know Camille is our managing esthetician. A lot of people tease Camille because her skin is absolutely perfect, but Camille and I have traveled together, and I can attest she works very hard to keep her skin looking this great. She's always got kind of a whole arsenal of her Rhonda Allison products, and I don't know how she gets her bag as a carry-on, but Camille's our skin expert today.
Yay!
So Camille, I want to talk about, we have a new Clear Relief acne facial that we're offering at the spa. Who is this facial good for?
This facial is good for anyone who's experiencing some acne or even just like a lot of breakouts. People who aren't really doing much with their skin right now and are looking to get some good skincare advice and just get a start on that healing process.
So if somebody's already seeing a dermatologist and on a prescription skincare, this is probably not the right facial for them.
It could be modified, however, it's probably a little too strong for some topical medications that you might be taking from a dermatologist.
Okay, well, I think a lot of our guests, at least when I'm answering the phone, aren't sure if they have acne or just breakouts or pimples. So what is acne?
Acne is an actual diagnosed skin condition. It can range from just small pimples and blackheads to deep inflamed and sometimes painful cysts in the skin. So there's different grades, but there is kind of a range.
So would the Clear Relief facial be appropriate for all ranges, or are you looking just at maybe the more painful, inflamed end of acne?
It can be modified for any type of acne. However, this facial is really meant to target that more inflamed and irritated skin. So again, anyone with breakouts and acne can receive it. It just might have to be modified and changed just a little bit depending on your needs.
Okay, so what about when people call and say that they are having a breakout, or I know that the estheticians here say a lot of times people write on their health history form that they have acne, but then you see them and it really isn't acne. What are you seeing?
Right. Most of the time, people think that like a pimple or two or a random breakout is considered acne, but that's not usually the case. Sometimes as adults, especially with women, we have a lot of hormonal breakouts. Sometimes we have more pimples just because we're not properly taking care of our skin. So there is a bit of a difference between just your basic, pimples and breakouts rather than actual acne.
And yeah, for just pimples, would they be getting this facial, or what would be a better choice?
If it's not pretty consistent breakouts and acne, they probably would be better with our Wellness or EV Signature facial because we can use a little bit more modified and not quite as strong exfoliants and products.
Well, one thing we talk about here at the spa is that skincare isn't, a one-time fix. Just like if you go to your dentist to get a cavity filled but don't brush your teeth or take care of your teeth in between dental visits, it's not really going to do you any good. So part of the program with the Clear Relief facial, as I understand it from talking to Camille, is we have a really reasonably priced starter set from Rhonda Allison for people to use between facials. If you want to show,
this is our blemish
moving
skin.
Closer.
This is our blemish skin system, and it has trial sizes of all the products to get you started to help with your acneic skin. So it's got a cleanser, a toner, a corrective blemish serum, and a light moisturizer, and also comes with a wasabi mask too.
Awesome. So that would be at least a month worth of products.
Oh, definitely. Yeah, some of these products will last even longer than that.
Okay, and then about how often, if somebody feels like they're having good results from this, about how often should they do this facial?
This would be a monthly facial.
Okay.
I would say at least 3 of them to really start seeing change in your skin, especially if you're adding the home care kit in with it, and then we can go from there as far as your treatment plan goes.
Awesome. Well, thanks for your time, Camille.
Absolutely.
If you have any questions, don't hesitate to hop on our website, evdayspa.com, or you can see our menu online there. You can email the spa, evspadesk@gmail.com, and ask for Camille or any of our estheticians, and shoot them your questions, and she'll reply, or any of our other estheticians, if you've seen them, would be happy to answer your questions and let you know if this is an appropriate facial for you, or if you should consider a different facial, or give us a call at 515-309-2904. We always look forward to hearing from you, and thanks for tuning in today.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Bye.